Adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow controls braking and acceleration to maintain the set speed. Even if another vehicle cuts into the lane, it detects the distance from the vehicle and the speed difference between the vehicles and maintains an appropriate distance. When the preceding vehicle exits the lane by changing lanes, it accelerates to the set speed. Distance between the preceding vehicle can be kept during traffic jams. When the preceding vehicle accelerates, low-speed following is resumed at the touch of a switch or by pressing the accelerator. The lead car departure notification system provides visual and audio warnings when the vehicle is stopped, such as at a traffic light, and the preceding vehicle accelerates, but the driver does not press the accelerator. When the Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, forecasts potential collisions with preceding vehicles, pedestrians, and oncoming vehicles, it provides visual and audio warnings. If the risk of collision increases, the system applies mild braking. If the vehicle approaches further, it applies strong braking to help avoid impact or mitigate damage. Even if pedestrians or bicycles dart out, the sensors detect the type, size, location, and speed of the object, forecasts collision, and stops or decelerates the vehicle. The auto high beam headlights automatically switch the headlights to low beam when driving at night or on dark streets, such as tunnels, and preceding vehicles or oncoming vehicles are detected. When there are no vehicles in front of the car, the headlights are automatically switched back to high beam. The Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKAS, detects the edges of lanes while driving on highways and assists the driver's steering to keep the vehicle in the middle of its lane, even on curves. When the vehicle is likely to stray from a lane, the system alerts the driver and assists with returning to the middle of the lane. The Road Departure Mitigation System detects lane boundaries and unpaved areas, and if the vehicle is likely to stray from a detected lane or the roadway, the system gives a visual warning on the display and vibrates the steering wheel. In addition, the system applies corrective steering input to bring the vehicle back in the lane. It offers advanced recognition performance for faded lane lines and provides assistance with steering back to the center of the lane as well.